Well, welcome to this video. I don't have a startup video because I lost it. I'm not sure how I lost it, but somehow I ended up deleting it. But this is the install on the winch on the Tahoe that I put in. This winch came from Harbor Freight, and it seems like it's going to be a pretty good winch. I already had the winch bumper in the front, and it bolted right up to it. And now this is at the point where I'm just tightening it up, but that bar above the winch there, I had to unscrew the left side and get it to move out of the way so I could get it down in that push bumper there. And the right side of that bar is so corroded, I'm going to end up having to cut it off with the Sawzall. But after I get these 16 millimeter bolts tightened up in this winch and I get the rollers in the front, I'll pull the cable out and put the hook on it. And once I get all that done, we'll start the wiring part of it. And I did get all of the wiring part of it videoed, so we'll go from there. Y'all stay tuned. All right, now that I got the winch hooked up and bolted, or bolted in, I should say, everything is bolted on, and it's really slack right now, but I'm gonna run the wires and I'm gonna just run them up through here, I guess, and across the top. We're gonna have to see which way they fit the best, because there's two different ways that we could do this. There's that battery, and there's that one over there. So let's see where the wires go and where they need to go. Well, I figured out where I'm gonna run the wires. There's a spot right up underneath here I can go to, and I'm gonna go to this battery right here. That's gonna be the best bet for me. Well, let me see if I can get underneath this thing here to find a place to put them. I need to get some more of these clips. These things here have had it. I mean, they have literally had it. Get out of there. Okay, this is where they're gonna go. Gonna find their new home right here. Run these one at a time, I guess. It's L positive. I'm gonna put it through here and go under here. To this right here. Okay, there's that one. And here is the old negative. I'm gonna run it approximately the same spot. Run right through here. Through here. And it's gonna go to there. And we will tie these dudes up like so, out of the way. All right, I'll show you how I run that here in just a minute. All right, boys and girls and peoples, we have it. We went it and routed it over here to this side, to this battery. It went up through there like that. I mean, that's a pretty clean installation for a last minute deal. And it hooks up. We'll show you how it hooks up right there right quick. Here's the cord. And it just plugs in like that right there, and it's there. It's ready to go. And free spool is just turn this right here like that, and that's free spool is turned. I had to remove this bar across here because it just was in the way of this thing here. So I just moved it out of the way, cut it off. So, but other than that, we are good to go. All right, well, I'm gonna ease this thing out of here. I hope you guys like this video. There's the chains. It's like that. And there they are. I'm just to back it out into the yard now, and hopefully they stay on there. Now that's what you call the ultimate rescue vehicle right there. I mean, big old winch on the front. Fire nice. Fire nice. That's what we're gonna call this video. Fire nice. Got them snow chains going. Ready to go, baby. Ready to go. Well, this is just a little footage as I'm kind of driving around in the ice, and I mean ice. It was about 4 or 5 inches of sleet, which is crazy for us. We hardly ever get any kind of weather like this, but I wanted to drive around and just let you see what I was driving on. I mean, it's pretty rough in some places not too bad, but the chains, they didn't slip at all. They kept right on going, never missed a lick. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Y'all have a good night.